Hi guys and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna be trying some weird flavored popping candy. I found these three flavors just a few days ago when I went to a store here called Blued, which is an international store with food from pretty much anywhere, even though most of the food is definitely American. But yeah, I just found these three flavors of popping candy and I just thought they were so different and so strange that I was really curious to try them. So here we go. Honestly, I'm not really expecting to like any of them. I just really wanted to try them because they're different and weird, but we'll see. So the first one I'm gonna try is beer flavored. I'm not sure if I've mentioned this on my channel before, but I really don't drink. I've never really had an alcoholic drink before. Even though I'm 21 right now, it's just something I've never tried, so I don't even know what beer tastes like. The ingredients in this are sugar, glucose syrup, lactose, carbon dioxide, and flavoring. This smells really strong. It actually smells like beer. I don't know how. It smells pretty bad. To me, I never liked the smell of beer, so this smells pretty gross to me. Can you hear that? It's like... Okay, it's settling down a little bit, but it literally popped out of my hand. That looks a bit scary. It's really chunky sugar bits, I guess, that pop on your hand. Quite a lot. It's kind of scary. Okay. Is it weird that this doesn't taste that sweet? It doesn't have much of a flavor, really. It like immediately it pops in my mouth, which is expected considering it's popping so much outside. But it doesn't really taste like much. It barely even tastes of sugar, but it really smells like beer. So it's more like beer scented popping candy than beer flavored one. It's edible, but it's not exactly very nice. It just doesn't have much of a flavor. Also, it pops a lot more than any popping candy I've ever seen. I'm just gonna wash my hands because they're like super sticky now, like. So, wanna hear something crazy? As soon as I put my hands under the sink, it popped even more. So, I actually felt some shards of sugar go into my hair and onto my clothes. Yeah. But anyway, I would give the beer flavored one 3 out of 10. It's edible, but honestly, regular popping candy is better than this, I think. Next, I'm gonna try the bacon flavored one. I still find it funny how a lot of bacon flavored or meat flavored things are actually vegetarian. For instance, this one, it even says there on the bottom, no bacon is contained within this product. The ingredients in this one are sugar, glucose syrup, lactose, carbon dioxide, flavorings, and colors. It's literally the same ingredients as the beer flavored one, but they also added 2 food colorings to this. I wonder if this one smells like bacon. No, not really. It smells like roast meat, almost. That's what it reminds me of. This is basically pink. Thankfully, it's not popping nearly as much as the beer one. Ew. No, no. I'll be right back. Alright, so this one, it's a lot weirder. It doesn't really smell like bacon and it doesn't taste like bacon, but the initial flavor is actually quite nice and I thought I liked it until about 2 seconds in when I started sort of tasting the really artificial kind of smoky meat flavor, and it's really off-putting. I was really hoping I would like this one since I usually like bacon flavored things that are like vegetarian. This is like a 1 out of 10. It's really bad. Do not recommend, don't buy this. It's really weird. No. So far, 0 out of 2. It's all resting on the wasabi. And I don't really like spicy food, so... The ingredients in this one are sugar, glucose syrup, lactose, carbon dioxide, flavoring, and again, 2 food colorings. The ingredients are all basically the same, except for different food colorings. This one actually smells really good. It reminds me of like peas, I think, which is really weird. It's green. This one is also popping quite a lot. Surprisingly, this is the best one. It doesn't taste like wasabi. It also doesn't taste like peas, thankfully. But it's like sweet and salty at the same time. It's not spicy at all, but this is by far the best one. I would give this one like a 6 out of 10, which is still not very high. I guess popping candy is just better if it's like fruit flavored, but this is by far the best one out of the 3. So if you ever see these 3 Treat Factory flavors of popping candy, definitely just get the wasabi one. So that's it for today. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave a like, comment, subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.